Hello and welcome to another one of Sporty's product pirate videos. I'm Doug and today we're going to look at the Ram suction cup mounted sun visor. This is the Ram suction cup mounted sun visor. Many aircraft have visors already installed, but when they're 40 years old, oftentimes they'll fall off, they fail, they're not very good. This one is extremely robust and not near as expensive as the factory replacements. So all Ram mounts are made in the United States, really high quality, have a lifetime guarantee on them. This one has three pieces. We have a suction cup as well as a small arm, and then of course the sun visor piece. Ram suction cup mounts are really easy to use. First, I'm just going to clean off that mount, that suction cup real good. Put it to the window, and then use the twist grip to lock it into place. Now I can use this adjustment knob, put the visor wherever I need to put it. Each piece of a Ram mount is adjustable, so if I want to change this suction cup out to a new one, maybe after 4 or 5 years after this silicone wears off, or if I want to go to a double suction cup, or if I want to go to a claw style mount, I can do that. I can even change the arm to make different lengths. So for every application and use case, you can find something to fit for what you're trying to do. The sun's out your side window, like on a low wing, you can put it on a side window. The versatility of this mount is just great, and for the price point, you really can't beat it. I really like the portability of this mount. On days that are cloudy and you don't need this, you can really just take it off and throw it in the back seat and get rid of it. You don't have factory-mounted visors always coming down and smacking you in the head. Thank you for joining us on another Sporty's Product Pirate videos. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these videos. And as always, check out sportys.com for the latest and innovative aviation products.